Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you people are doing good. If someone new who is watching my channel for the first time who don't know who I'm your Ashita from my channel 𝗕𝗿𝗶𝗺𝗍. I make videos related to DIY, art, craft, lifestyle, fashion, food, travel, beauty and much more. You can check out in my bio. Friends, since we are in pandemic COVID situation, I think it's not safe to go to salon and do our hair cutting or eyebrows because we don't know whether it will be hygiene or not. So today in this video I came with this product that is an eyebrow shaver. Here goes my products. It's from Miniso. You will get a pack of 2. I'll get this in Amazon. You'll get for $190. Guys, first let me know its feature. This Miniso eyebrow shaver, it's very lightweight and portable to use, and second one, it's a non-slip resistant. You can easily handle this while you are shaving. It will be non-slip because if it slip it might damage to your skin, so it is a non-slip resistant, and it is designed in such a way that you can easily shave your eyebrows or forehead, or you can easily shave your upper lips and facial hair also. As I said before, it's portable to use. You can easily carry this in any travel, and it will remove very precisely in very small area or very small hairs also. Guys, if I want to say about its shape, you can see it is curved over here such that you can easily handle this. And here comes my blade. This is how it looks. And here you'll get a locker like this such that you can easily remove and easily fix it off. It doesn't damage to your skin if it touch when it is locked. You can see. Friends, I'll show how it works and all. Then let me start with the demo. Firstly, I'm gonna moisturize my eyebrows using aloe vera gel. I'm just spreading out aloe vera gel. Friends, kindly note that if you are doing a threading, then there is no need of moisturizing your eyebrows. But when you are doing shaving, it's essential to moisturize your eyebrows to avoid any cuts. Now I'm starting vertically downward direction like this. Move slowly vertically downward direction. The blade should be facing to my eyebrows like this. Guys, here I'm just removing my extra hairs. Just slowly come down, seeking to your eyebrows, and just shave it off like this. Friends, I'm using this from many long days and I didn't found any kind of cuts over my skin, and it is very safe. Guys, just notice like how hairs are removing so fast and keenly. I'm wiping out with my tissues. You just need to spend some precious amount of time. I think it's very simple and useful. It doesn't give any kind of pain as threading or plucking, and similar procedure repeats below my eyebrows. Vertically downward direction. Move it so carefully. Guys, similar same procedure I gonna do on my next eyebrow. Guys, I'm done with my eyebrows now. If you want to try with your forehead or upper lips or your facial hair, you can try it off with this Miniso. It doesn't give any kind of cuts to your skin. Guys, once you're done with your eyebrows using this blade or shaving blade, the hair growth of your eyebrow areas might be more because the usage of blade, and it might be more than compared to threading or plucking. But somehow it is not time consuming and you can do it very quickly and it is handy to use. So I suggest you to try it out this once. If you want to buy this product, I'll show the link in the description. You can go and check it out once in Amazon. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and please do like and subscribe to my channel. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you, guys.